Hey there, so always looking for something to do on a Sunday, on a hot, humid Sunday, and I'm in Volusia County, which is about an hour and a half south of St. Johns County, and I brought my mom. You can see her in the background. We are in this fabulous orchid farm, and it's called EFG Orchids, and I just can't even believe the assortment of orchids in here. It's, I think, around 10,000 square feet. So I'm just gonna kind of give you a quick little tour. I obviously look like I just got out of the river, because I did. And I don't care. I just want to show you some of the cool things. Florida is like really, really well known for, growing orchids. In California, a lot of them would be seasonal. I would never see a variety like this. So I'm gonna show you a couple of different things, and you be the judge. Whew, it is hot in here. I did tell you you can never have a good hair day here, June, July, or August, right? So I wasn't lying. Let's take a look. By the way, I am Gail DeMarco. My job as a realtor is to show you all the different things we could do here in Florida. Not just show you houses, but show you what is it really like to live here. Is this something that would interest you and your family? And if you have any questions, go ahead and just reach out to me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, welcome. And if you have, we really, really appreciate it. So I want to see what my mom says. Mom, what do you think?
Fun. You don't know what to pick?
You don't know what to pick?
No.
All right, let me go get a cart. Are we gonna do this? We're like a bunch of crack addicts and meeting a dealer or something, right? I've never seen these many orchids. It's incredible. Look, incredible. Okay, walk under the little tiki area. We're gonna go head towards the air conditioning area because I'm about to die. My mom has picked up and put down the same orchid like 20 times. This one has more buds. That's what she keeps saying. So here we are. Ah, the fan. You probably hear it. All these hanging ones are so cool. I just don't have anything to hang them from. Oh, that's a good idea. You need to sit. We're gonna go in the AC. I'm gonna get you some water. So cool. Oh, look at the monkey. I would actually really like to convert one of my bedrooms into something like this. Oh boy, more orchids. They're all real and they're all for sale. Let's see how much I can spend. And it's called EFG Orchids in DeLand, Florida. Tons of pots, some really cool pots. It's really, really peaceful in here. Very peaceful. So what do you think, Mom?
Huh?
What did you think?
It's amazing.
Do you recommend people to come see this place?
Of course. Beautiful.
Let's see, what are you getting so far? My mom's picked out that one. That one. She likes white. This is a really fun one. I love that one. Yeah, and this is, we're not done. She's just resting. It's nice that they have a nice air-conditioned room before you go into the nursery. Look at this. These are cool little pots right here. Oh my gosh, check out this. Wow. It's my nail, sorry about that. So I'm just getting a little water because it was hot in here. I am now in the air-conditioned area and I just wanted to say, hey guys, what did you think? This is pretty incredible and I actually only got through part of it. It's super, super put together. I've never ever been in a nursery as nice, never mind just one that specializes in orchids. You know, they also have cactus, all kinds of things, ferns, just incredible. So if you want to discover more places like this, so if you're coming out to Northeast Florida and you have a hankering for orchids, I've always liked orchids, but I never knew places like this existed, you know? And if there's something on my channel you want to see and you haven't, just reach out to me and say, Gail, go ahead and, you know, tell us, does this even exist? I like to go to places in person. I sometimes drag my mom around with me. I get brownie points. But I don't want to just get on YouTube and show you screenshots and B-roll. I am the B-roll. I'm going to experience it firsthand. And I'll tell you what, I am really, really hot. So as you can tell, I'm in my paddling clothes. I had makeup before I got here, but it's gone and who cares? At the end of the day, we're in Florida. It's time to live outdoors or indoors like I am right now. Thanks again, thanks for watching. My name's Gail DeMarco. I am your local realtor here in St. Johns County. And if you're looking to relocate, just reach out to me. I always answer my phone. That's why I'm busy. People are like, oh my God, I was expecting your voicemail. No, you will get me. And if you do get my voicemail, that means I'm either drinking a cocktail, no, just kidding. That means I'm with the client or sleeping and I will call you back. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.